The third vaccine to get emergency nod in India, Russia's Sputnik V, is seen as a hope for India's vaccination drive. But several months later, makers of Sputnik V have hit a roadblock. Government sources informed India Today that the developers are finding it difficult to make a second shot. The second component of the vaccine is harder to manufacture because of its design as an adenovirus vector-based vaccine. Unlike other vaccines which use the same composition of doses for the first and the second shot, Sputnik V uses two different components in its COVID vaccine, using two different adenovirus vectors. While AD26 is the main vaccine, AD5 is a booster shot which is given 21 days or 3 weeks apart. The Russian Direct Investment Fund, however, has denied it, stating that reports about delays in production of the second component of Sputnik V in India based on anonymous sources are incorrect. A number of RDIF partners in India have already produced the second component batches, which are undergoing verification at the Gamaleya Center in Russia. The RDIF plans to accelerate deliveries of the Sputnik V and Sputnik Light to India in August. But even the Sputnik Light hit a regulatory wall. Dr. Reddy's proposal for an emergency use authorization and phase 3 clinical trial protocol for Sputnik Light, the one-dose version of Sputnik V, was not approved by a drug regulator, the DCGI, citing lack of justification to do a similar trial again. Serum Institute of India, the world's biggest vaccine producer, Gland Pharma, Hetero Biopharma, Panakia Biotech, Stelis Biopharma, Varchow Biotech and Morpen Laboratories working to produce the vaccine. Despite Sputnik V having tied up with experienced vaccine manufacturers for production of doses in India, the full rollout of the Russian vaccine has been affected. Projected estimates of doses expected from the Sputnik V was pegged at 10 crore between August and December 2021. Which was lowered from an earlier optimistic estimate of 15.6 crore doses. Only a little over 4,44,638 doses of Sputnik V vaccine have been administered in India, according to the data on the CoWIN platform on 30th July. At present, all Sputnik V vaccines being given in India are being imported from Russia by Dr. Reddy's. Dr. Reddy's spokesperson said, and I quote here, "We have received 31.5 lakh doses of component 1 and 4.5 lakh doses of component 2 of the Sputnik V vaccine in India. We are working closely with the RDIF to ramp up supplies."
India is still heavily dependent on imports of the Russian vaccine that is being administered in the country. The production was supposed to be ramped up by July, but the timeline has been further shifted to September now by the Sputnik V makers. With Nasir Khan, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.